I put Vaseline near the edges of her hair to stop the dye from touching her skin. Don't put it on your hair. Now pour the rich conditioning colour into the cream developer. It will look like this. Then place your finger on the top of the lid and shake until well mixed. I sectioned her hair into 6 and undone one section at a time to apply the dye. Start at the ends and work your way up, but not all the way to the roots, making sure to work it in as you go. I use my fingers and try and comb the dye through as much as I can. You can see she has a section of dye already in her hair from nearly a year ago. I didn't add any protector to it, but it didn't affect the texture and she has no breakage. Clip each section after applying the dye and repeat the same process for the rest of the sections. I used 2 packets of Dark and Lovely to dye her whole head. The first bottle has nearly finished, so it's time to mix the second packet exactly the same way as the first. Now it's time to add the dye to the roots of her hair. You add it last as the heat from your scalp speeds up the dyeing process. You can see the dye is starting to take effect already. It took about 20 minutes to colour her whole head, so we set a timer while I placed the plastic bag over her hair before placing a bonnet, and then I tied it with a hairband so it didn't move. Here I'm checking to see the progress and left it for another 10 minutes. This is what it looks like after 40 minutes. After my daughter checked the colour under the bathroom lighting, we decided to leave it on for a little bit longer, so we set the timer for another 5 minutes and I placed the plastic bag and bonnet back over her head, but this time I left out her edges. This is what it looks like after a total of 45 minutes. Now wash out the dye really well. I used Care shampoo and conditioner for colour treated hair, left it in for about 20 minutes, washed it out and then used the conditioner that came in the pack. This is what her hair looks like after being washed and conditioned. It looks a bit orange here, but it's not orange at all.
Yeah, can't wait it out tonight.
It's a bit darker. Yeah, it's a bit darker because it's not on your scalp. The scalp is lighter.
Right.
So
Do you think it's a good colour?
It's just, I'm gonna have to get used to it just like I got used to it last time. I think it's weird.
Does it need to be lighter, do you think?
I don't know. Yeah, maybe a little bit. A little bit lighter.